In the second chapter motion, now next topic is we have to learn what is the difference between speed and velocity. Already in the last class we studied that if A and B are 2 points going from A to B in this direction, this is known as displacement. This is going from A to B in this direction, this is called distance. So distance is nothing but it is length of the path where we traveled. Displacement is the shortest distance and it has direction. So that is distance, this is called displacement. So speed is defined as distance by time is called speed. Any physical quantity, if you divide by time, it is called rate. So we define it as rate of distance is called speed. Here velocity means displacement divided by time is called velocity. So rate of displacement is called velocity, displacement by time. This distance has no direction but displacement is having direction. So in that way speed has no direction, so it is a scalar quantity. Scalar means only magnitude will be there is no direction for this. Whereas velocity is a vector quantity because it has both magnitude and direction. Speed is expressed in meter per second or centimeter per second. Speed is expressed in meter per second or centimeter per second. In the same way, velocity also expressed in meter per second or centimeter per second. So the length of the path which we traveled, that is called distance. Distance has no direction. The shortest distance which has direction, this is known as displacement. So it is distance and it is displacement. So speed is defined as distance by time is called speed. Velocity means displacement by time is called velocity. Any physical quantity divided by time is called rate. So it is defined as rate of distance. It is defined as rate of displacement. Speed is a scalar quantity because it has only magnitude but no direction. Velocity is a vector quantity because it has both magnitude and direction. Speed is expressed in meter per second or centimeter per second. Velocity is expressed in meter per second or centimeter per seconds. Right, next question. What is the average speed of a cheetah that sprints that sprints 100 meters in 4 seconds. That sprints 100 meters in 4 seconds. How about if it sprints 50 meters in 2 seconds? How about if it sprints 50 meters in 2 seconds? Now here we have to find average speed of a cheetah that is traveling a distance of 100 meters in 4 seconds. Now Distance traveled 100 meters. Time is, in first case, time is 4 seconds. Now, average speed we have to find it. Average speed is equal to, formula is total distance by time is called average speed. Total distance here it is 100 meters, time is 4 seconds. If you cancel 425, that is 25 meters per second. This is the average speed in the first case. Now in the second case, distance travelled is 50 meters. Time in the second case is 2 seconds. Now average speed you have to find. So average speed is equal to, formula is total distance by time. Here total distance is 50 meters, time is 2 seconds. 225, that is 25 meters per second. This is the average speed. Right, third one. A car travels at a velocity of a 80 kilometers per hour. A car travels with a velocity of 80 kilometers per hour during the first half of its running time. During the first half of its running time. And at 40 kilometers per hour during the other half. And at 40 kilometers per hour during other half. Find the average speed of the car. Find the average speed of the car. Here the car is traveling with a speed of 80 kilometers per hour for the first half of the time and 40 kilometers per hour speed for the second half of the time. So average speed you have to find. So average speed means first case speed is V1, second case speed is V2, V1 plus V2 by 2. Average you have to take. First case is 80, second case is 40 by 2, which is 120 by 2. So the answer is 60 kilometers per hour. This is the average speed. First half it is traveling at a speed of 80, second half it is traveling with a speed of 40. What is the average speed means? Average means both you have to add and divide by 2. So 80 plus 40 by 2, that is 60 kilometers per hour is the average speed. Next one, what is the average speed of the car if it covers? What is the average speed of the car if it covers 200 meters kilometers in 5 hours. So here distance traveled is equal to 200 kilometers and time is equal to 5 hours. So if you want average speed, so average speed is equal to, formula is total distance traveled by time. Here total distance is 200 kilometers, time is 5 hours, 5 fours are. So average speed is 40 kilometers per hour. Total distance is 200 kilometers, distance by time 200 by 5, that is 40 kilometers per hour. Now today let us learn the difference between acceleration and retardation. Retardation is also called deceleration. Before we go to these definitions, let us see this example. A car is going with a speed, initial velocity is 30 meters per second. A car is traveling with a velocity of 30 meters per second. After 5 seconds, let us suppose velocity of the car is 50 meters per second. First, the velocity of the car is 30 meters per second. Now the driver changed the speed. After 5 seconds, now the velocity is 50 meters per second. So acceleration formula is change in the velocity by time. That is 50 minus 30, time is 5. So it is 20 by 5. So 4 meters per second square. This is acceleration. Change in the velocity divided by time. Change in the velocity, we got 50 minus 30, 20 meters per second by second. That is 20 meters per second by 5 means 4 meters per second square. This is the acceleration. Change in the velocity by time. Now let us see another example. Initially a car is going with a speed of 30 meters per second. After 5 seconds, the driver changed the speed. Now the final velocity is 20 meters per second. Here in the first case, the driver increased the velocity. 30 is becoming 50. But in the second case, the driver decreased the velocity. 30 is becoming 20. Now, acceleration is equal to change in the velocity by time. That is 20 minus 30 by time 5. 20 minus 30 is minus 10 by 5. That is minus 2 meter per second square. Here we got acceleration as 4 meters per second square, but here we got acceleration minus 2 meters per second square. If the speed of the body is increasing, if the velocity of the body is increasing, 30 is becoming 50. If the velocity is increasing, then the acceleration we are getting positive value. If the velocity is decreasing, 30 initial velocity, initial speed, now it is becoming 20. That means the driver decreases the speed. If the velocity of the body is decreasing, then in this case we are getting acceleration negative. So if the velocity of the body increases, acceleration is positive. If the velocity of the body decreases, acceleration is negative. So this negative acceleration is known as retardation. If the speed decreases, acceleration will become negative. That negative acceleration is called retardation. Acceleration is denoted by A, retardation is denoted by minus A. Acceleration is expressed in meter per second square or centimeter per second square. Retardation is also expressed in meter per second square or centimeter per second square. So let us take this example. A car is going with an initial velocity 30 meters per second. After 5 seconds, the driver changed the velocity. Now it is 50. So here he increased the speed. So change in the velocity means final minus initial. 50 minus 30, that is 20. Change in the velocity, if you divide by time, it is called acceleration. So we are getting acceleration 4 meters per second square. So if the velocity of the body increases, then the acceleration will become positive answer. So that acceleration is called acceleration. If the velocity of the body decreases, then acceleration value we are getting negative value. This negative acceleration is known as retardation or deceleration. So acceleration is denoted by A, negative acceleration is denoted by minus A. Acceleration is expressed in meter per second square. Retardation is also expressed in meter per second square or centimeter per second square. Both are having same units. The rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. The negative acceleration is called retardation. Acceleration is expressed in meter per second square or centimeter per second square. Retardation is expressed in meter per second square or centimeter per second square. Tomorrow we will continue.